Okay, good morning. How are you all? I think the festivals are over. All of you have good health, I think. Eat whatever your mother does, mother cooks in your home. Don't try to eat the outside things. A lot of diseases are there, and the weather also changed. So you need to keep your health very good. Okay. So now, so in the previous class, we were discussing about the standard form of any number, how to write a standard form. So I have given some of the examples how to do the standard form, how to write. For example, another example: 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If the number is like this, and if you want to write this in the standard form, okay, then how to write it? So how to write it is, so 2.3567 into 10 to the power. I told you, if there is no point in between the numbers, then the point will be the last at the end of the number. So now the point is moved 1, 2, 3, 4. It moved 4 times, 4 numbers. So 10 to the power from. If the number moves from right to left, if the decimal point moves from right to left, the power will be always positive. And then another number will take it. Now 0.00345. Now I am going to write it 3.45 into 10 to the power. Now point is here. Where it moves? Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4, that is minus 4. If the point moves from left to right, the power will be negative. If the power moves from right to left, then the power will be positive. Always see what you can observe in the previous class. Also, we have written some of the examples, and in that you understood, you have seen the various type of the numbers what I have written. So from all these, so this is called standard form. So what you might have observed is the initial numbers, the first two numbers, the first number is always a singular number, means the number starts from 1 and it is less than 10. The number must be less than 1 and more than 1 and less than 10. More than 1, less than 10. You have to remember the number is more than 1 and less than 10. So now what is the definition of standard form? Definition of standard form. So any number that we can write as a decimal number, write as a decimal number between 1 to 9. 1 to 9, or you can say between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. means it should be, this is less than 10. It is less than 10. 10 means less than 10. You cannot write 10, okay? And multiplied by a power of power of 10, and the power of 10 is said to be standard form. Standard form. Okay, now okay, now you understood what is a standard form and how to write. What is the condition? The number should be between 1 and less than 10. 1 and 10. You can say 1 and 10. So it means 10, it cannot be 10. It cannot be 10. Less than 10 it should be. It may be 9.9 also. It may be 9.999 also. But it should be less than 10. In between, you can say in between 1 and 10. In between 1 and 10. So such numbers are known as the standard form. This is called a standard form. The standard form. Now let us solve some of the exercise that is in the 2-point exercise 2.2. Okay, now exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Okay, the first one. Express in question number 1. Express in standard form. Standard form. First one, 0.369, 11 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 zeros, and 8, 5. So this is a number given. You have to write this in the form of standard form. So first of all, what you have to write? Forget about all zeros, write 8.5. So the number should be, the standard form means the number should be more than 1 and less than 10. So this is 8.5 is more than 1 and less than 10 into 10 to the power. Now here the point is the left hand side. Now the point is moving right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It moved 12. Now this point moved here. How many places it moved? 12 places it moved. So where? Left to right. Left to right means negative sign. So 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power minus 12 is the answer. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here it is. Okay, now the next one is next one now. Three, 1, 8, 6, 3, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. Now I told you if given number doesn't have any point, it means the point will be here. The point will be here. First of all, you write it 3.186. Whatever number is there, just write it. There is no need to write zeros. Into 10 to the power. Now, if the point is here, right hand side, it has to move left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It moved 10 digits. It moved 10 digits. It moved 10 digits. So 3.186 into 10 to the power 10. This is how a number can be written in the form of standard form. Now question number 2 now. Express in decimal form. Now they will give like this. You have to write like this. Okay now. Express in decimal form. What is the first question? 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. 3.02 into 10 to the power 06. First write whatever the number given, 302. Okay now. Forget about point. Forget about point. Now where is the point now? Point is here. Means it is here. Now minus 6. Minus 6 means the point should move. Point should move. Okay, now it is here already. So counting 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now point 0 now. The point is here. From here it is moved. How many times? How many digits it have moved? 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point. This is how you have to write this number. Okay now. Next question. Second one. 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. Third one. 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, now let us do these things. 4.5 rest plus 4 is there, right? Right, 45. Right, 45. Forget about point. This plus 4 means the zeros will be here. Zeros will be right side of the number. Plus 4. Now here it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now the point moved 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay now. The power is plus 4. Okay. The next number 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. 3 to the power. Now write 3 here first. Minus 8. I told you if the point is there, you have to write, keep it as here. It is here. If the point is not even, and assume that the point will be last number. Okay, now point 3 is here. Now minus 8 it is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a point. Okay, now this is how 3 into 8 is written. Okay, the next number. Next number 1.0001 into 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9. First write this number, whatever number is given, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now. If the power is positive, the 0 will come left to right, left to right. The point is here, count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point 0 if you want to write, otherwise there is no need to write point 0. This is how you have to write it. Next number, 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. First write 58. Forget about point. Now, how many numbers? 12 numbers. So here it is. Is it minus 12 or plus 12? It is. Okay, it is plus 12 only. Count here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. This is how this could be done. Last one, 3.61492 into 10 to the power 6. First write the number, whatever number given, 3.61492. Now point is here, now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, 6, 0. That's it. Okay, now. So this is how the example will be done. Now third one, let us write the question. Third one. Now third question. What is the third question now? Exercise 2.2, third question now. Express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. You have to write in standard form. So now 1 micron is equal to 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1, 2, or 6 micron. There are 6 zeros, 3 to 6. Okay. Now, how can you write this as 1 into 10 to the power? How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. 10 to the power 6. So, if you bring up, what happens? 10 to the power minus 6 it becomes. 10 to the power minus 6 becomes. So, how to write the standard form? Standard form is, so this can be written as 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. If there is nothing number in the above, so then you can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is how the first thing can be written. What is the second question? Charge of the electron is, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 zeros are there into 16 column. So charge of 1 electron, and 1 electron is this much. So now 0 point it is. Okay. Okay, it is 0 point. 0 point this much. So first of all, how to write it? First, whatever number is there, take that number, that is 16, write it as 1.6. Why? Because what the standard form tells, number should be more than 1 and less than 10. So 1.6 it is, into 10 to the power. Now point is here, it is moving from left to right, it means the power is always negative. So there are 18 zeros, 18 plus 1, 19. That's it. So here 18, this one is 19. The point is here from here to, it is moving here. So you can count the number of digits. So it moved 19 digits. That is 19, 6, 1.6 to 10, 6 to 6. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now the third one. Size of the bacteria 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5. Okay, micron. Okay, now again this is same thing, it is 5.0 into 10 to the power. Now the point is moving from left to right, the power will be negative. So where it is moved, it moved from here to here it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, now next question. Size of the plant cell. Size of the plant cell. Size of the plant cell. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 7, 5. Okay, now micron. Now same thing. First of all, write the number 1, 2, 7, 5. The point will be here. Why? Because more than 1 and less than 10 into 10 to the power. So again the point is moving from left to right. Power is negative. How many numbers moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It moved 5 points. It moved 5 digits. So it is 1.27 10 to the power minus 5. Last one now. Fifth one. Thickness of a thick paper. Thick paper is 0.07 mm. So now this is 7.0 into 10 to the power. Where it moved? It moved from here to here. How many? 1, 2. So it is moved from left to right. That is 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, now let us do the next example. I think you might have understood the nature of standard form. The standard form is always more than 1 and less than 10. And the last example of exercise 2.2 is fourth one. In a stack means in a shelf, it's okay. In a stack, there are 5 books. How many books? There are 5 books. In a stack, how many books? 5 books are there. Okay. Each of thickness of each book. How much it is? 20 mm. 20 mm, and 5 paper sheets each of thickness. 5 paper sheets each of each thickness. Each thickness is 0.016 mm. Now this is all given, and what is the total thickness of the stack? So what is this stack here? So this is stack, and the books are kept here. How many books? Five books are there. One book, second book, third book, fourth book, and there are 5 books here. This is a stack here. So there are 5 books here. Okay. Now you have to find out what is the thickness of this. Okay, now in the stack there are 5 books. Thickness of each book. So therefore, thickness of 5 books is equal to 5 into 20 mm. That is how much? 100 mm. Now thickness of 5 books is 100 mm. Okay, now 5 paper sheets thickness. 5 paper sheets each thickness. Thickness of 5 paper sheets. 5 into how much? 0.016. You have to multiply this. 5 6 are 30. 3 5 1 is 5 3 plus 8 0 0. Therefore, now what you have to do? You have to add this and this to get what is required. What is the total thickness of the stack? Therefore, total thickness of stack is equal to 100 mm plus 0.080 mm. If you add this, what you get? 100.080 mm. So this is the total thickness of stack. 100.080. Okay, now. So this is what everything about the topic that we are doing, that is exponents and powers. So we have completed the topic exponents and power. So I will generalize what you have to remember. First of all, any number can be written in the form of exponents. Any number can be written in the form of exponents, and there are a few laws of exponents that you have to remember. That is, e to the power m into e to the power n is equal to e to the power m plus n. The second one is e to the power m divided by e to the power n is equal to e to the power m minus n. The third one is e to the power m into e to the power m raised to n, that is e to the power m into n. A to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a to the power a upon b to the power m. In the same way, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b power m. So a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. So anything raised to 0, a to the power shunya is equal to 1. So these are the 7 laws of indices, or you can say exponents, that you have to remember. And after that, we have understood about the standard form, how to write the exponential numbers in the form of standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is a form of expression that the exponents could be written. That is, the numbers should be written in the form of decimals. That is more than 1 to less than 9, less than 10, and multiplied by 10 to the power of that number. So this is how the topic goes. And whatever tomorrow I am sending you the few of the examples based on these topic, that is exponential, and just try to solve those examples. If any have doubts, you can ask me through WhatsApp or messages. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Take care. Be safe.